WhispersRed ASMR. Hi, how are you? It's good to see you. The girls in the salon said that you're going to a wedding. Okay, the evening reception. Right. Well, what are you wearing? Ah, sounds good. Okay. Well, that would go really nice with your new hairstyle. You would. Well, in that case, why don't we go for a 40s look? Yeah? Well, that would be defined eyebrows and winged eyeliner with a smoky eye and red lips. Yeah? How does that sound? Okay. I think that it would look perfect. So are you ready? Okay. My first question is, did you cleanse your face thoroughly today? You did? Did you scrub it? Okay. Well, all I have to do then is use my facial wipes to just remove the excess oil from your skin. Okay. Right. Let's go. Here we are. So I'll just start with your forehead. Your cheeks, your nose, and chin, and side. There we are. I'm just going to blow your skin just to dry it quickly for me. Is that alright? So I'm going to start with some moisturiser and then I'll move on to primer, and that's because if you're going out all night wearing foundation, if you have a good primer underneath, it'll just last longer. That's right, so when the camera's on late at night, you'll still look good. Some Aubrey Organics green tea and ginkgo, which is fantastic for your skin. It's all natural. Okay. apply that to your forehead first. Your cheeks. I'll massage that in slowly. Moving outwards toward your ears. Your chin. Alright. There we are. So, let's move on to the primer. I like to go for Bare Minerals Prime Time. I find it's the most reliable and it feels so nice and silky on your skin. You just need a very small amount. Just a little bit there. And if I just spread that between my fingers, I won't really rub it into your skin. I will just glide it over the top, just a little bit, and only on the forehead and your cheeks, chin, and down your nose. Okay? Can you feel that? It's so silky, isn't it? So we don't really rub it in, it's just gliding it over the top. There we are. And next, I'm going to use some MAC Studio Fix foundation, and we'll go for the fluid. Normally for daytime I would suggest using Bare Minerals, but for the evening we probably need something slightly more hard wearing, should we say. So again, just a little bit on the back of my hand. And I'm going to use this stippling brush. It's not too big, just small enough to fit into the creases around your face. So I just distribute it evenly around the brush. And if I apply in very small circular movements around your face, we will create the airbrushed look. Like that. Alright, so that's your foundation. I'll just wipe this off my hand. So, let's move on to your eyebrows. They look very tidy, so I can tell you look after them. So all I'm going to do is just define them a little bit by filling in the spaces and brushing them out just to shape them. Alright? I'll just comb them first. And the other side. So to fill them in, I'm going to use a MAC Penultimate Brow Marker. It's a bit like a felt tip pen actually, but it's perfect. Just to fill in the spaces between your eyelashes. Define them and make them appear more full. Just small strokes. That's it. I'll just brush that in to blend it in with your eyebrows. There we are. And next I'm going to move on to eyeshadow. And we're going to go for a smoky eye, as we said. First, I will start with, I've got this palette here. It's a MAC palette, and the base for your eyeshadow will be this one here. Very light colour. And then for the crease, we're going to go for this very dark colour and blend it in to create your smoky eye. So this is the pale colour. Filling your eyelid with this colour. I'm also going to just apply a little bit in the corners, and this widens your eyes. And makes your eyes appear a little bit brighter. Not that they're not bright already. You have very beautiful eyes. for the crease. I'll just load my brush here and just press it into your crease because I want quite a dense colour. That's nice. I have a blending brush here, and if I just go in circular movements just around the edges of the dark colour to blend it in, and that's how we get our smoky eye. Lovely. And next we have our eyeliner, and this one is black. It's very fine, you can see there. Perfect to achieve a nice thin line. With a nice point on your wing, like that. So for mascara, which is next, I always go for Benefit. They're real, not only because it's good mascara, but because the brush has this little bit on the end, and that helps me to get right into the corners and cover all of the eyelashes. So we just, that's it. There we are. And the bottom. Gorgeous. I think you're going to be happy. Okay, before I move on to your lips, I'm going to use some bronzer just to contour your face and brighten your complexion a little bit. So I'm going to go down your nose and your cheeks and your forehead and your chin. And for that, I'm going to use my Bare Minerals. This is the bronzer, it's called Warmth. just work the product into the brush and then tap it down. Okay, just across your forehead. And your cheeks. And down your nose and your chin. Lovely. And then we move on to the last thing, which is your red lips. And I have a red lip liner, which I will use to define the shape of your lips first, and we will blot it out a little bit as well because we really want this to last all night. So I will define your lips with this first, and then I've got some red colour here. Now, do you have a red lipstick at home that you can take with you? You do? Because you're welcome to take this one if you like. You will need to top up later on. Okay. No, you can take this one. It's no problem at all. There you go. Okay. And if we just blot this a little bit. And one more. Okay. This has a really handy applicator, and if you look closely you can see that the applicator is loaded every time, so you always have enough to do the whole of your lips. Okay, and we'll just blot that one ready. Thank you. And one more layer. There we are. You look absolutely amazing. Stunning. You really do. You're going to have a fantastic time. Good. Good for you. So, here is your red. If you pop this in your handbag, you can top up later on. Alright? So you have a fantastic time. Yes. Take lots of pictures, and anytime you want to come back to have your makeup done, that's no problem. I'm always here. Yeah, if you're going to another wedding or a party or, well, just anything really. Any excuse. Come back anytime. Alright? You take care. I'll see you again soon.